Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Windows 10 build. Make sure it's 1809 or later, because many engines rely on updated graphics APIs. Once confirmed, download a reputable live wallpaper engine. Use the store or vendor app to avoid malware. Next, run the installer as administrator. Accept permissions for system integration and video rendering. While installing, keep your GPU drivers current because better drivers reduce stutter. Once the engine finishes installing, open it. Now you import the wallpaper file, MP4, GIF, or an engine-specific package. Drag and drop or use the app's import. Then configure playback options. Choose loop or single play, enable performance mode for lower CPU usage, and toggle audio sync if the animation has sound. Make sure to assign which monitor. S will display the wallpaper and set scaling to fill, fit, or 16:9 crop. If you use multiple displays, apply separate profiles so each screen looks right. Finish by saving a profile and enabling the option to start the wallpaper engine with Windows. This ensures the background appears after reboot. If you encounter stutter or high battery drain, switch to reduced quality or disable hardware acceleration. This lowers load. Make sure to close other intensive apps and check Task Manager for GPU or CPU spikes. If usage remains high, update drivers or try a different file format. One quick troubleshooting tip. Restart the engine service. Many display glitches clear immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.